Good evening to all of you. Honorable Chief Guest, Sir, Dr. Nagendra ji, and other young dignitaries on the dais, and all the participants. Namaskars to all. Friends, this is the third day and you are in concluding session. For the last 6 months, I have been very eager to participate in this program and collect some knowledge from different sessions. But it was my great bad luck that I could not attend 2 days program yesterday and day before yesterday due to some examination work. Right from its designing of this program, I was there and I was eager. Indigenous, the name itself is indigenous. All the genius of India are expected to participate in this program. Genius youth, I mean to say the cream of the student community of India is expected here. And naturally, quite eager, I had an anxiety to see those faces and to see their participation. Anyhow, after coming here, I have come to know about the sessions, different sessions held for the last 2 days. Wonderful sessions, particularly brainstorming sessions, we can say. There were sessions I heard on reforms, on education reforms, on other reforms, social reforms. There were sessions on entrepreneurship, sessions on education, sessions on different aspects. Friends, we are all lucky to interact with the great people. I heard scientists, young scientists like Satish, Dr. Satish, he was here, he was interacting with you. Great people like Captain Bana Singh, Paramveer Chakravarti, Rupa Iyer, and Manoj Chaturvedi, all such personalities. Particularly, I was eager to listen to Milind Kambleji. I heard about him, the work he is doing in the field of social change. Friends, you are all really lucky to be here and to listen to them, to interact with them. When I came here, I spoke to some of the young boys and girls. Even after 3 days of hectic sessions, nobody is looking tired and everybody was looking very eager and enthusiastic. I am sure you enjoyed this program. We are all lucky to listen to wonderful speeches. Great people like Dattatreya Hosbale, Ram Madhavji was here. Right from the opening session, Sunilji's opening session, we heard a lot of things. What I mean to say is, what is the purpose of this program? Some of the talented youth, young achievers, just now, we felicitated them. Of course, we expected a big number. There are lot many achievers, thousands and thousands of achievers in this country. They are there. In spite of our good efforts, we could not bring lot of other people on. The purpose of this program is, of course, you are all ignited minds, bringing all the ignited minds together and keeping the concept of India first before them. Friends, you are all talented. You are all talented. You are all skilled people. Within a very short span of time, 10 years, 20 years, not more than 20 years, all of you have achieved something. And Parishad wants to tap your talents, your skills to the benefit of the motherland. This is the whole purpose of the program. And ABVP has been doing this. This is not the first time ABVP is doing this type of program. Of course, it may be looking new. But in a different way, we had been trying our best. Always we went on for the last 60 years, 65 years. We went on doing the same thing. We wanted to attract the youth of this country. We wanted to tap the energies of the student community in this country. And with our programs, you have seen here many initiatives Vidyarthi Parishad has taken up. You find Think India, the name Think India. You see the SFD, Student for Development. You have heard about SEAL, Student Experience in Interstate Living. We wanted to do something to keep all 7 sisters of this country integrated to this country. Because some activity is going on there to divide this country. Always some forces are there in this country working against the interests of this country. And for the last 60 years, we have been taking up programs only to involve the students, attract the students, and bringing all the students together and putting before them the patriotic need of the patriotism before them. And SEAL is designed only to integrate all 7 states where there is a threat of division. SFD is there, where a student community in this country who are interested in social activity, who are interested in environmental, participating in environmental program, who are interested in development program, it is designed.